Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in my kitchen. Sorry if you see any dirty mess in the background. We are seriously having a lazy Sunday, let me tell you. So today, let me open up my window. So today I am going to be making some sopita. If you guys don't know what that is, it's literally just noodles in like a tomato sauce with seasoning, and it is so delicious. It is honestly like the best thing to eat, just like a Mexican comfort soup. My son absolutely loves it. That is a thing that I bought for him to organize his toys. Anyone else? Look at, there's like random things you can find in all his mess. So like my son said, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you liked my video. Let's go ahead and get started. The cool thing with sopita is you can make it with potatoes, carrots, you can add all the extra ingredients. But today I'm simply gonna make it the simple and easy and cheap way. All you're gonna need, chicken bouillon, 1 can of tomato sauce, Fideo soup. I just use this one right here. You can use the ABCs, shells. I always mix it up. It's just whatever I find at the store. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a saucepan. Go ahead and put my heat on number 4, so like a medium. I'm gonna grab some olive oil. Oops. That one's empty. We're just enough to cover all the noodles.
I'll help you.
You want to help me? Okay, you can sit down, Papa. So we're gonna go ahead and let this oil heat up a little bit. You can tell the oil is done being heated up whenever it starts getting really easy to just move around in the pan. I'm only gonna be using half of this just because it's just me and my son.
Bye, Mommy.
It's your birthday, huh? It's almost your birthday. It's gonna be dinosaur theme. Ooh. I literally have my camera standing on the chicken bouillon right now. So we're just gonna open up half of this. Okay, you can help me pour the bag in there. Different techniques into making this as well. You can make it either really soupy or you can make it more thicker. Are you tossing the pan? Ooh, look at you. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get one of my little spoons right here. Start to mix it. We want to fry the noodles whenever they start looking a little brown. Just mixing the noodles. Usually whenever I do add onion, I would add it in the beginning as well. Do you like sopita?
Yeah, I like this. Oh.
My mom always used to make this whenever we were little. She obviously had a lot of kids, so she always made something super fast and easy. And this was just something that I would love to eat with tapatio. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. So I did not measure my water that I put in here because this is not Mexican rice, so you don't need to be exact. It just depends on how soupy you want it. So if you want to make it more soupy, more water. If you don't want it soupy, obviously less water. Go ahead and add in my tomato sauce. I'm only going to put half of this tomato sauce. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. So just half of the can. I like to clean up my mess as I go and mix that. This is such a family favorite of ours. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just add some chicken bouillon. I like to start off with the tablespoon first. And then I like to try it as I go. You can use a little bit more. I go ahead and add in another tablespoon because I feel like it's just not salty enough at all. And go ahead and turn on my... Okay, so let's go ahead and try it now. Let's try the flavoring. Perfect. Okay. Depending on, like I said, if you want to keep your sopita more soupy, don't cover it. If you want it to soak up the juice and it'll be a little bit more thicker of a dish, I like mine soupy, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it uncovered and keep it on a medium heat. We will see you guys once it's done. Okay, so my sopita is all done. I wanted it to be more soupy, but you guys, I had several phone calls that I had to answer right now, and yeah. But anyways, so this is my easy sopita. It tastes so good. I went ahead and cut up some Mexican cheese and I'm gonna add to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of me eating it. And of course, you can't eat sopita without some tapatios. Okay, so now we're gonna add some tapatio already crumbled and some cheese. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. So fire. You guys are absolutely gonna enjoy this. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Till next time, you guys. Bye, besties.